I'm Lucas Mampai, Managing Director of the World Association of Nuclear Operators. The impact of the accident at Chernóbil awakened the international community to the need for high standards and the exchange of information in order to promote nuclear safety worldwide. In response, the World Association of Nuclear Operators, or WANO, was founded in 1989, uniting over 400 nuclear power plants in over 30 countries. There are important lessons in the Chernóbil accident for workers in the nuclear industry. Many of these lessons are focused on how a nuclear professional should approach risk. The Chernóbil accident highlights mistakes that human beings can make, mistakes those of us in the nuclear industry. Why didn't anyone involved in the test challenge it, like personnel at other stations had done? This human side of the accident may be more complex than the technical aspects of reactor operation. The men in authority at a station, the ones driving the test, were not experienced nuclear engineers or operators. Their backgrounds were from other engineering disciplines. They may not have recognized the dangers of This was a serious violation of operating procedures and a large step outside of the boundaries of the test procedure. Why did they do it? The answer is pressure. The test would have been delayed by 1 year if not performed at that time. There will always be pressure on people working in industry to get the job done. People that succeed in management are able to apply that pressure to others. Those are basic truths that we must face. Each nuclear professional must recognize those truths and be prepared to stand against them when nuclear or personnel safety is being threatened. These men did not stand against the pressure. Third, the power level in the reactor quickly flashed to more than 100 times the normal full power level. Reactor pressure rose rapidly and blew the 1,000-ton reactor cover plate into the air. The upper portions of the reactor building were destroyed. At least 3% of reactor fuel was expelled into the surrounding area. During the destruction of the reactor, graphite used to help control the nuclear reaction caught fire and was ejected. Several fires resulted on site. Large amounts of radioactive material were released into the surrounding area and dispersed with the wind throughout northern Europe. 30 people died shortly after the accident. 346,000 area residents were evacuated. It is estimated that there may be 4,000 radiation-related cancer deaths because of the accident. To conclude, this is a very sad story. The design was such that the reactor could be made inherently unstable. Reactor safety depended on administrative controls and ultimately on the operators staying away from unstable operating conditions. It is sad to see that several barriers of professionalism were broken at different levels of the organization, leading to a situation where the operators brought the reactor exactly in those conditions where it should not be. Several individuals at different levels could have acted to prevent the accident, yet they did the contrary. They broke one barrier after the other.